If you want to cook something special made from canned food, then I am sure you will love cooking corned beef in milk this way. Hi, you're watching Lee's Kitchen, and welcome to my channel. Let's make it. For our recipe, we are gonna need 1 can of corned beef 150 grams, any brand. If you are new to my channel, I will appreciate if you click the subscribe button below and hit the bell button as well for updates. 1 medium-size onion. I use 1 egg to help bind all ingredients. We also need 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs and 1/4 cup of flour. And mix them all together. Add garlic powder and pepper to taste. And give it a nice mix. Now, add cooking oil in a pan. Once it is hot, add the patties and let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes or until it turns dark brown, in low heat. Let's flip it and repeat the process. Put the paper towel in a plate before transferring the patties to drain the excess oil. And our corned beef patties is done. Set aside and let's make the sauce. And our recipe is done, and ready to be enjoyed. I hope you like our recipe, and thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Enjoy!
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different from